Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to use Instagram Take a Break feature. Set a reminder to take breaks in Instagram. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and let's get started. First, we need to go to Instagram. After that, we need to click on our profile and click on this button. After that, you need to click your activity. Scroll down a little and click time spent. And here you can click on break reminder or daily limit. For example, click break reminder and click every 10 minutes and click turn on. After that, Instagram will remind to us when we spent this amount of time at once on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.